Hello everyone, I'm Naked Ninja, and I got a quick video today talking about a little bit of a hidden gem. So what you see in front of me, in front of you that is, in front of me of course, is a smart speaker. Hella cheap right now. It's like $29 Best Buy because it's going to be, the new version's coming out next year for 2019. It's a clock radio, full speaker. The speaker has what? I think it has 3 speakers, and so it's 2 6-watt speakers, a 8-watt subwoofer, super hell loud, plus alarm clock, plus Google Assistant enabled, everything you can think of, which is louder and stronger than any Google Home or anything like that. Google Home or the standard Google Home or the mini Google Homes, and it works wonderful. So what I'm talking about is this one right here. You can see that right there. It's an Insignia portable voice activated speaker. Another thing cool about it too, this particular model, this is a large one because there's a small one. It's about half the size, half the pint, with 2 speakers. Not even loud, and clarity wise it's not even there. But that particular, this one particularly has 5 hours of charge, so you can plug in. I leave mine plugged in, but if I wanted to grab it and bring it somewhere, it's hella cheap, it's hella easy, and it lasts for 5 hours, which is awesome. Bluetooth enabled, Wi-Fi enabled, connects to the Google Home app, not too bad. It's pretty simple, just like any kind of device. It supports, say, YouTube Music, Pandora, works with the Nest, and I got to figure that out, whole purpose why it would work with the Nest. Google Play Music, TuneIn, connects with Samsung SmartThings, which I still have to add it to mine. See Google Chromecast and then Hue lighting. So meaning you can voice control this just like a Google Home or anything like that by the command where it's like, for instance, you'll see what it does on the top here. Okay, Google. What's the weather today?
Today in Phoenix, it will be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 63 and a low of 48.
Now the volume's super low on.
It's 60 and cloudy.
So the volume's super low on it right now. It's passive buttons on the top here. You can kind of see. Put my hand next to it. It senses it. See, right there, which is pretty awesome. Plus or minus. So if I go up here, you'll see it going up. Just show you how freaking loud this is. Max her up. It's loud. I mean, it's by far probably the best little speaker alarm clock setup, so I'd have it in any bedroom. Okay, I'm going to stop at 88% because that's freaking huge loud. You're going to hear this in a second here. But I'll readjust that real quick for you. Hey, Google. What does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 a ding and wah pa 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 pow. Or so I've heard.
Hey, Google. Volume 100%. See that right away? Hey, Google. What does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 a ding and wah pa 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 pow. Or so I've heard.
It's crazy, crazy, super loud. Hey, Google. Volume 20. So you set it down to 20% there. Let's see another thing. Let's see. Hey, Google. Activate I'm back.
Okay, activating I'm back.
Let me change it so it's a little bit louder. Hey, Google. Volume 40. All right, so that's better. Let's see another thing. So it's like when I say I'm back, it's connected to my Samsung SmartThings, and it turns on certain lights. I'm in the bedroom right now, so I don't really have anything controlled in here besides a room sensor and whatnot for little things. But other than that, let's see another thing. Let's just play. Music, and you see how loud. And actually, it's pretty rich bass wise too. Hey, Google, play Pandora Station 70s Rock.
Sure, here's the Pandora station called 70s Rock.
Hey, Google, volume 100%. Hear that bass on that sucker? Hey Google, stop. Sorry, I didn't want to get any issues with copyrights or whatnot. Sorry to scream at the camera too at the same time. But it's hella freaking loud. It's probably the best by far smart speaker for your bedroom that works just like a Google Home or a Google Home Mini. And it's loud. Alarm clock all in one kind of combination. Like I said, it's the Insignia voice portable activated speaker. You can find it at Best Buy. I'll leave a link for you guys there. I don't get it. It's not affiliated or anything. They don't have anything to do with this video whatsoever. But it's just a gem I found. And you can pretty much put it anywhere. It's freaking phenomenal. Loud. Of course, it's worth $30. Let's not be stupid, people. And, I mean, especially if it's usually $140 or whatever it was. But, like I said, it's awesome. I'll leave a description on the actual link at Best Buy. And maybe you'll find it on Amazon. But like I said, it's probably the best Google Home speaker I've ever had. And highly recommend it. And that's about it. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down in the comment section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, let me know too in the comment section. And subscribe to watch my channel. You guys have a great day and talk to you later.